taken at present and what steps it has been planned by our country to be one of the remarkable achiever in the world. So in this connection, different countries with their representation, they are available here. So the respected delegates are requested, please be seated in the space in which it has been assigned for you. Please have a look at the sticker, choose the sticker and please take your seats accordingly. All the delegates of different countries. Yes. Please be available. All the countries, they are requested to take their seats in which they have been assigned for. So all the respected delegates. तालियों से स्वागत करते हैं हमारे प्रिंसिपल सर के लिए। So once again, we request our honorable principal sir to light a diya along with all the respected teachers to be available to be the witness of the program. So in this connection, all the respected teachers are requested to accompany our honorable principal sir to light the diya.
to everyone, respected delegates of different nations, respected officials of this floor. I, Susri Swam Siddhi, as the President of this Mock United Nations Assembly, welcome you all to this great platform. We all are well known that coming together is beginning and working together is success. In this connection, to exhibit the global issues in an international forum, we are here. At the same time, we are here to find out appropriate solutions for the global issues occur throughout the world. So, today we, the team of Odisha Adarsh Vidyalaya Jantari Kamakhya are ready to present the Mock United Assembly. For the reference of the beautiful young minds available here, definitely this assembly will give them an exposure of international discussion of different delegates. We expect a wholehearted cooperation from everyone to maintain discipline and enjoy the program. Now it's the turn of roll call. Respected delegates, are you all ready? Alright, now we will begin with roll call. When your delegation is named, please write and state whether you are present and voting. Ukraine?
Madam, Ukraine is present and voting.
UK?
Honorable Chairperson, UK is present and voting.
India?
Honorable Madam, is here present and voting.
Japan?
Honorable Chair, Japan is present and voting here.
Brazil?
Honorable Ma'am, Brazil is present and voting.
Mexico? China?
Honorable Ma'am, it is your turn of China, President voting.
North Korea?
Yes, Honorable Chairperson, North Korea is present and voting.
USA? Pakistan? I think Pakistan is absent. Russia? Poland?
Yes, Madam, Poland is present and voting.
Saudi Arabia?
Yes, the turn of Saudi Arabia, present and voting.
Sri Lanka?
Yes, Honorable Chair, Sri Lanka is here, present and voting.
France? Australia?
Your Majesty, Australia is present and voting.
Germany? New Zealand?
Your Majesty, New Zealand is present and voting.
Italy? South Korea? Israel?
Honorable Ma'am, Israel is present and voting.
Now, roll call is over. Out of 21 invited countries, 20 countries are present and one country, that is Pakistan, is absent. Now we have simple majority so that we can go for the assembly. Now it's the turn of motion on the floor. Are there any motion on the floor? Respected delegate of Ukraine, you have been recognized.
Yes, Honorable Madam, the motion on the floor is to set the agenda.
Wonderful. Now it's the turn of motion to set the agenda. How many delegates are there in favor to set the agenda? Nice. How many delegates in against to set the agenda? Alright. Yes, majority is granted. Now it's the turn to set the agenda. Any delegate who wants to disclose the topic of agenda? Respected delegate of India, you have been recognized.
Honorable Madam, the topic on the floor is sustainable development.
Wonderful. How many delegates are there on favor of this motion? Alright. How many delegates are against of it? Okay. Yes, majority is granted. Now it is decided that the topic on the floor is sustainable development. Now officially, let's move to the next activity of the floor. Now it's the turn of speakers list. Respected Chief Secretary, will you please let me know the speakers list on the floor?
Thank you, Honorable Madam. Now I would like to request respected Vice President of the floor to prepare the speakers list. Thank you, respected sir. Good afternoon, everybody. Reverend Chairperson of the floor and respected delegates of different countries. Respected delegates, by taking the pleasure to be the Vice President of the floor, I request the delegates to register their names in the speaker list. Respected Assistant Secretary, will you please help me in this regard?
Thank you so much, sir. Thanks a lot for the assignment.
Now, respected delegates are required to show their placards to register themselves in speakers list. Respected delegates, now the speakers list is ready. Now it's the turn of open discussion. How many delegates are in the favor of open discussion? Nice. How many delegates are against of it? Alright. Now it's the turn of Ukraine. Any delegate who want to ask question to Ukraine? Respected delegate of India, you have been recognized.
The Reverend Chairperson, may the floor know the step taken by Ukraine government regarding the sustainable development.
Alright. Respected delegate of Ukraine, please answer the question.
Thank you, Madam. Most respected Chairperson of the floor and respected delegates of different nations, I, representing of the honor, speak about the steps taken by our country on sustainable development. The sustainable development goals on which Ukraine is acting upon are end poverty, zero hunger, good health and well-being, quality education, and many more. Ukraine was on steady progress in achieving 15 of the 17 sustainable development goals before the war started in February 2022. Ukraine's greatest success is in reducing poverty. Ukraine's 2021 voluntary national review showed a decline in poverty from 58.3% in 2015 to 43.2% in 2018. In 2019, President of Ukraine adopted a decree of the 17 Sustainable Development Goals, integrating them into state policy as a framework to achieve sustained economic and social development for all Ukrainians on the basis of leave no one behind. The updated National Determined Contribution of July 2021 sets a target to achieve to of 2032, Ukraine also targets in getting 50% of its power from renewable sources by 2035. Every global target and goal was reviewed, taking into consideration the specific national context. This is all about steps taken by Ukraine to ensure sustainable development in its country. Thank you.
Thank you, respected delegate of Ukraine. Now it's the turn of UK. Any country who want to ask question to UK? Respected delegate of Japan, you have been recognized.
Thank you, ma'am. Respected chair of the floor, I would like to draw your kind attention regarding the presentation of UK on the floor, what they have planned to achieve the goal for sustainable development by 2030.
Respected delegate of UK, please answer her question.
Thank you, ma'am. And also respected delegate of Japan, Honorable Chairperson, respected Chief Secretary, on the behalf of UK, I feel immense joy to present about the plan in sustainable development in our country. The goals set in our country by 2030 is that end poverty in all its forms everywhere, end hunger, achieve food security and improve nutrition and promote sustainable development, ensure healthy lives and promote well-being for all and all age, achieve gender equality and empower all women and girls, promote
Respected delegate of China, you have been recognized.
Thank you, ma'am. Respected ma'am, will you please ask the delegates of UK to repeat the last line?
Respected delegate of UK, please repeat your last line.
promote, protect and restore ecosystem and ecosystem.
Alright, now it's the turn of India. Any country who want to ask to India?
Respected chair, I am very happy and supporting the steps taken by UK. Respected chairperson of the floor, I am quite happy with the presentation of respected delegate of UK.
Thank you, respected delegate. Now it's the turn of India. Any country who want to ask question to India? Respected delegate of Ukraine, you have been recognized.
Honorable Chair, may I have your kind attention to allow me to ask something regarding the steps taken by India for sustainable development.
Respected delegate of India, please answer the question.
Thank you, ma'am. Honorable eminent personality on the floor, on behalf of India, going to have a glance on sustainable practices done by our country. As the fastest developing country in the world, we have many plans to conserve resources. To conserve resources of all types, we have introduced several schemes such as Ganga Action Plan, Narmada Bachao Andolan, Namami Ganga, etc. to clean water. Also introduced Sagarmala Abhijan to collect sea garbages. By using solar hydroelectricity, we have produced electricity and provided electricity to almost everywhere in our country. Swachh Bharat Abhijan, a measure taken by our government to maintain a hygienic condition in our country. We have given our more attention on the topic of eradicating poverty, providing health facility, and providing quality education. Some steps taken by our government are: we introduced Manrega or Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. In this, 100 days of work is provided to rural people. Jawahar Gram Samriddhi Yojana has been introduced to develop infrastructures in rural areas. Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana to provide shelter for all. That's all about the sustainable practices in India. Thank you.
Thank you, delegate of India. Now it's the turn of Japan. Any country who want to ask question to Japan? Respected delegate of UK, you have been recognized.
you, ma'am. Your Majesty, I have the curiosity to know the steps taken by Japan to conserve resources.
Respected delegate of Japan, it's your turn to answer the question.
Thank you, ma'am. And also respected delegate of UK, Honorable Chair, I on the behalf of Japan feel immense joy and pleasure to present about Japan that what are the steps taken by our country to conserve the resources. The steps are its ambitious midterm target was to reduce the greenhouse gas, initiate water quality program, and implement the measure against the air pollution, treated in energy and resources, and reducing the environmental cost and improving the energy efficiency. Thank you.
Thank you, respected delegate of Japan. Respected Chair, I am very happy and supporting the step taken by Japan. Alright. Now it's the turn of Brazil. Any country want to ask question to Brazil? Respected delegate of China, you have been recognized.
Thank you, ma'am. Honorable Chair, may I have your kind attention to allow me to ask something regarding step taken by Brazil, what they have done for sustainable development.
Respected delegate of Brazil, it's your turn to answer the question.
Honorable Chair, different chairperson, respected delegates, I represent Brazil. I'm the honor to speak about the step taken by our country on sustainability. The Brazil government had tried to increase control of over-extraction, that the rate of extraction of renewable resources should not be exceed the rate of regeneration, so that they are extracted on a sustainable basis. Now the government is focusing on pollution control and efficient utilization of resources. Pollution in all forms has a negative environmental impact which has a high opportunity cost. Hence, control of pollution is a must to maintain the quality of natural resources such as air and water for sustainable development. And towards efficient utilization of resources, technological progress and industrialization should be input. Efficient wastage of resources should be minimized by proper utilization. This will help to produce more with lesser amount of resources, and thus depletion of resources will be spared. The government will also implement the use of non-conventional energy. Brazil is hugely dependent on thermal and hydropower plants to meet its power needs. Wind power and solar rays and greener energy sources, which will be explored in our country on a large scale by developing technological devices along with non-conventional sources like nuclear. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, delegate of Brazil. Now it's the turn of Mexico. Any country who have questions for Mexico? Respected delegate of Russia, you have been recognized. Thank you, ma'am. Honorable Chair, will you please allow me to know what has Mexico done for sustainability? Respected delegate of Mexico, please answer her question.
Thank you, respected delegate of Russia, for your wonderful question. Your Majesty, I, on the behalf of Mexico, feel immense joy and pleasure to present about sustainable development. Mexico means well in the center of the legs of the moon. Promoting sustainable development is a priority for the government of Mexico, a country with a population of 130 million. In 2014, UNOPS partnered with the government of state of Jalisco, Mexico and UN Environment to develop and implement a series of joint programs and projects to foster sustainable urban development and a more efficient, transparent use of public resources in Jalisco. So what has Mexico done for sustainable development? Mexico has demonstrated its dedication to the SDGs through the creation of numerous agencies designed to implement the 2036 agenda at the national, state and local levels. What is Mexico doing for sustainability? Overall, Mexico was one of the first countries in the world to pass a specific law on climate change. The law set an obligatory target of reducing greenhouse gas emissions by 30% in 2020. Thank you. I am extremely delighted with the presentation of Mexico. I strongly support the steps taken by Mexico.
Now it's the turn of China. Any country want to ask question to China? Respected delegate of Brazil, you have been recognized.
Respected chair of the floor, I would like to draw your kind attention regarding presentation of China on the floor, what they are doing for sustainable development.
Alright, now it's the turn of China to answer the question.
Reverend Chairperson, respected delegates, I representing China have the honor to speak about the step taken by our country on sustainable development. According to the United Nations statistics, more than 800 million people still have difficult to feed themselves. As the world's largest developed country and an active practitioner in implementing 2040 agenda of sustainable development. In year 2015, China met 10 sustainable developments. There are no poverty, zero hunger, good health, quality education, gender equality, and many others. With year of the continued endeavor, China has achieved a historic success by eradicating absolute poverty. All over the world, 98.99 million rural residents living under the current poverty line had all been lifted out of the poverty, which marks that China has achieved a sustainable development goal 1 of poverty of the 2040 agenda of sustainable development. China plan practice green its goal concept announced to the
Respected
international.
delegate of Poland, you have been recognized.
Thank you, ma'am. Respected madam, will you please ask the China to request the second one?
Respected delegate of China, please repeat your second point.
Thank you, ma'am. China plan practice green its goal concept announced to the international community in China's 3060 plan to achieve carbon peak before 2040 and carbon neutrality before 2060. Incorporate carbon peaking and carbon neutrality goal into the overall layout of the economic and social development and ecological civilization and build the largest clean energy. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, respected delegate of China. Respected Assistant Secretary, will you please collect the written records presented by different countries?